We hope everyone made it through the storm. Prayers and thoughts go out to those that are affected. We wish you the best of luck and from the Hurricane Helene. But hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know we're going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby. That
Yes,
weekly heat.
sir. Yes, sir.
So these are the shoes that are coming out from 6th through the 12th of October. There's not that many Jordans dropping this week, but we do want to highlight some Nikes that we thought that you might enjoy. This first shoe does come out on October 8th. This is for the Bays only. This is a Halloween shoe. It is the Nike Vomero 5 called the Halloween. And it's really cool concept because you look at the front of the shoe, it does have like some eyes, like a spider, and it does have some little things. And the thing I like about this, it is a very clean shoe in that black and gray colorway. It does feature that TPU so on the back. And if we look at around to the front, it does have that standard Vomero branding. But what stands out the most about the shoe, it does glow in the dark. So on the wherever you see white at, will glow to be green, like a neon green. So I do really think that's a cool effect. And as you know, the Nike Vomeros 5s are a most comfortable shoe. I do have a pair in my collection, so I can confirm that these are very comfortable. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and try you a pair of Vomeros, see if you like them. But I am rocking these for the Bays. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Right for the babies. So, hey, good call with that. Good call with that. So, I will be rocking those as well. Rocking those as well. Drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. So moving on October 10th, we do have a special collaboration. It's called DOAF, and that stands for Ducks of a Feather. So this collaboration is with Nike, and it's the Nike Dunk Low. As we know, Nike does special shoes for the Oregon Ducks, and this is following colorway is coming out on October 10th with a retail price of $275. They're going to be dropping two shoes. It's called the Home and Away with the Duck. Different materials and hits on the shoe. I think overall, if you're an Oregon Duck and you do collect those shoes, I think this is a good shoe for your collection. However, these shoes will be dropping on the GOAT app as well as in store. And what the Duck colorways will be releasing in limited quantities at Flight Club locations in New York, Los Angeles, Miami, and Tokyo on October 5th. And then they're going to have a full wide public launch currently exclusively on the GOAT app. I'm not sure how that's going to work out. I'm not going to sure if you're going to be bidding on the shoe to win these or you just going to be first come, first serve. So stay tuned for that. More details will be following in the future. But right now, these shoes will be coming out a wider release on GOAT on October the 10th. Again, both of these prices are $275. We wish you the best of luck if you're going for these. I'm going to be rocking these only because it's kind of like different, and I'm rocking them too as well because all the proceeds will be going back to the school. The benefits will be benefiting the University of Oregon student athletes. As you know, the student athletes, they don't get paid. So, you know, on this channel, we always talk about giving back. And this is one of the ways that we're giving back to the student athletes there at the University of Oregon. And because of that, I'm rocking those. How about you, my brother?
You know what, man? It makes sense to rock with this because it's all about giving back. And that's what this channel is all about, is just giving back. So I will be rocking those. We'll be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping them.
Yes, sir. Moving on. What we got next, my brother?
So the last shoe we do have is October the 12th. This is an Air Jordan 1 OG Howard University. Price point for those is $140. What make this shoe a clean shoe to me is because Jordan Brand is collabing with the HBCU, you know, and that right there deserve a round of applause right there to be collabing with the HBCU, man. That's historical right there. Jordan Brand, nice work there. But overall, this shoe right here at price point of $140, what I see, I mean, I know it's, you know, it's all about Howard, but look, red, white, and blue.
Yes, sir.
Right. And we both veterans. Right? Okay. But this shoe, man, I mean, I'm looking to cop this shoe, right? I mean, just look at the you know, the toe box with the Nike You know what I mean? This is a clean shoe, you know, and this is something I can really see me putting a few outfits together with that. So I will be rocking those. Will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'm gonna be rocking those as well. Again, like I told y'all before, we don't get that many red, white, and blue shoes. And one thing, my problem is, I wish they would have dropped sooner because with the Olympics did come out, so it would have been good to have those drop along with the Olympic shoes, so I could have
Yeah.
mine early and maybe rock them a little bit earlier in the summertime because I do feel like this is a summertime shoe, but it does have some blues in it, so I guess it could be fallish shoe. But definitely not recommend these for the winter because it does have that white midsole and white at the toe box. But overall, this is a clean shoe, and I will be going for these. Like I said, I am a Texans fan, so the red, white, and blue is right up my alley. So I'll be going for these as well. Let us know down in the comments: are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.